In the previous tutorial, we have learned how to create floor plan and how to create sofa drawing. Now in this tutorial, we will learn how to create this bed drawing. Link to previous tutorials complete playlist is given in the description. Now this drawing is in therefore we will start drawing with ISO template. Click here and select AutoCAD ISO. In this, at first we will create a rectangle of 1800 by 2000 size. Click on rectangle, specify first point, take your cursor away, give the length of 1800, comma, give the width of 2000, enter. Then offset this rectangle inside by distance of 50. Click on offset, give the distance of 50, enter. Select this rectangle, take your cursor inside and click. Press enter. Then I don't want this line. I will just explode this rectangle. Click on explode. Enter. So all the entities will be separated. Then click on erase. Select this line. Press enter. Then I need one more offset outside of 50. So again, this is a polyline. I will explode this polyline also. Click on explode. Select this rectangle. Enter. Again, give offset. Give the distance of 50. 50 is already there. Press enter. Then select this line, take your cursor above and click and enter. Then we will connect these lines. For that you will have to use extend. Click on this arrow and select extend. Then press enter and click on the objects to be extended. Press enter. Zoom minus. Then on these corners I want some fillets. For that click on fillet. Then click on radius. Give the radius of 50. Enter and select this line. Before that, actually I want to create multiple radius, therefore I will click on multiple. Then select this line, this line, this line and this line. And again click on radius, then change the radius to 100, enter, then click on multiple, select this line, this line, this line and this line. Press enter. So this overall layout is created. Then this one, the size is 500 by 700. Click on rectangle, give the first point, take your cursor away, give the length of 700, comma, width of 500, enter. Then offset it inside by 25, click on offset, give the distance of 25, enter. Select this rectangle, take your cursor inside and click, press enter. Then here I need to create one lamp. For that click on circle, then take your cursor to this midpoint, don't click there, take it away so it will mark it for tracking. Again take your cursor to this midpoint and take your cursor at the center, so it will locate the center of this rectangle. Click there, take your cursor away and click, then press enter. We will create one more circle here, click. Then we will create two inclined lines, click on line. Now to catch one point on the circle, press shift and right click and select nearest. Then click here, then again shift right click, nearest and click here, enter. Then we will mirror this line, click on mirror, select this line, enter, take your cursor to this quadrant, take your cursor below, ensure that your line is straight. If it is not, you can also click on this ortho mode. so that your line will come straight. Click second point for mirror line, then erase source object, click on no. Then we will array this. Click on the arrow near the array and click on polar array. Then select these two lines, enter, then specify center point of array. Take your cursor on this circle, it will show the center point, click on it and press escape. So here array is created. Then we will place it here, click on move, select object, enter, take this endpoint as a base point, make ortho off, and track this point, take your cursor on this side and give the distance of 100, enter. Then same I want on the opposite side, click on mirror, select this object, enter, take your cursor to this midpoint, click there, take your cursor below and click. Erase source object, no. So this is also ready. Then next is to create this of 1200 by 2400 size. Again click on rectangle, specify first point, take your cursor away, give the length of 2400, comma 1200, enter. Then we need to create this design. For that, click here on the draw and select spline. Then give this as a first point, zoom it and specify these points. And click on this midpoint, press enter. Again press enter, click on this end point and create one shape like this. Then I want to catch this point. For that, shift right click on nearest. So it will catch the point wherever we click. Press enter. Then again enter. Take your cursor to this midpoint. Specify points to create the curvature as per your requirement. You can also track this endpoint, and once you got the required shape, click there. Enter. Again enter and click here, here and here. Press enter. Again press enter. Suppose we will create one shape here. Track this point and press enter. Enter. Again create one shape here. Track this endpoint and click. Enter. Then I want some circles. Click on circle. Give the center point. Give the second point. Press enter and repeat the circle command as many times as you want. Just press enter, give the center, give the second point. Then move this shape, click on move, select this object, enter, then take your cursor to this midpoint, track that point and take your cursor to this midpoint and take your cursor at the center. Then I will place it at the mid of this bottom line. Okay. Then we will have to trim unwanted object. Press TR, enter. Then I will select this object as a boundary line for trimming. Then press enter. Then trim the unwanted objects. Okay. Then press enter. Okay, we need to trim this line also. Again type TR, enter. Then select these two lines, enter. Click on this line, enter. So this is also ready. Then next is pillow. For that again click on draw, spline, zoom it, give first point, give second point, Click the points and generate your required shape. Then take it below. Give the points and generate the shape. If you make any mistake, you can undo from here. Zoom it. Then press enter. So this shape is ready. I want it somewhat larger. What we will do, we will scale it. Click on scale. Select this object. Enter. Give the base point. Suppose I will give it here. Then give the scale of 1.3. Enter. So it has become larger. Then I want one smaller also. So I will just copy it. Click on copy. Select this object. Enter. Give the base point. Take it below. Enter. Then reduce the scale. Click on scale. Select this object. Enter. Give the base point. Give scale of zero point 0.7. Okay. Then move it. Type M for move. Enter. Select this object. Enter. Move it and place here. Then trim this portion. Type TR. Enter. Enter and click. Enter. Then I want same on this side. We will mirror it. Click on mirror. Select these objects. Enter. Take your cursor to this midpoint. Click there. Take your cursor below. Ensure that your line is straight and click on no. Then we will move it apart. Type M, enter, select these objects, enter, give the base point, make ortho on, give the second point, click. Same way on this object. Enter base point and second point. So these cushions are or pillows are ready. Then to create the blanket, for that again click on draw, click on spline. Then give first point, make ortho off. When using spline, keep ortho off. Then it will create proper spline. Give second point and generate the shape. Zoom minus. Give the point as per your requirement. You can give 1 point above, 1 point below. Zoom minus. You can make as much large as you want. Specify in zigzag mode. And you can click on close. Okay. Then we will move it. Click on move. Select this object. Enter. Give the base point. And we will place like this. Take it above. And click. Then trim the unwanted portion. Type TR. Enter. Enter. Then click on the objects to be removed. Enter. Then here we will create some splines. Click on draw, spline, give the first point, press shift, right click on nearest, give some point here and again create some splines. Again shift right click, nearest and click, enter. Then I will mirror this, click on mirror, select this object, enter, give the first point. Suppose I will give it here, make ortho on and give second point here. Erase source object? No. Then we will extend this. Click on extend, enter and click, enter. So overall shape is ready. Then we will have to give colors. For giving color we will use hatch command. Click on hatch, then click on this solid color. Then from here you can choose your color. Suppose I want this one, then click on OK. Again press enter to repeat the hatch command. Then choose your color and click. Press enter. Enter. Suppose I want this one for here. Enter. Then again enter this one here and here. Okay, here I want dark color, so I will just apply it and change the color. Suppose I will take here this one. Enter, enter, click here, change the color. Enter. For this, enter, then click on close. Okay, there is some problem that we will check. Press escape. If you get such a circles, type RE, enter. So it was not able to find any boundary. So we will check here what is the problem, or what we can do. We can create some line here. Actually it is closing that point, still it is not creating it. Okay, then again click on hatch, then click here, just pan it below and see that complete shape is shown, and click. Now it is taking the boundary. Click here and click here. Then we will change the color. Click here. Suppose we will take this one. Then enter. Again enter. We'll apply hatch here. Enter. Enter. One more hatch here with different shade. Enter. Then for circle we will apply gradient hatch. For gradient click here and select gradient. Then click inside the circles. Then from here change color. I will take this one and press enter. For gradient we will change the pattern also. Click again on this hatch which we have already applied, and we will take this pattern and press enter and escape. Click on hatch, take your cursor here and click on hatch. Click here, we'll change the color to darker one. Enter. Then here again enter, enter. So we'll just erase this line, E, select that line, E, enter. Then for this outside boundary, click on hatch and choose color. Suppose we will take this darker one and click, and we will apply same color here also, then press enter. Then here we will apply gradient. Again click here and select gradient and click inside these patterns. Then we will change it to this one. Escape. Same way here, gradient and click. So we'll give different shading here like this. Okay. So here the bed drawing with colors is created. In the next lecture we will learn some more commands. Then we will solve some exercises. Then we will also create floor plan and next furniture drawing. So thanks for watching. We will stop here.